Welcome to Bliss Phonics, where we learn our sounds one step at a time. Today, we are going to learn how to sound and pronounce 3-letter words with the vowel E. So we begin B, E, T, beat, S, E, T, sit, K, E, T, kit, it, lit, it, pit, it, fit, bean, fin, pin, tin, win, sin, big, dig, fig, pig, rig, wig. Great job. You can go through these words again before moving on to the next word. So now we have deep, deep, lip, nip, rip, sip, tip, kid, lead, bead, deed, heed, read, dim, him, rim, sim, team. We are going to take our reading practice 4 in this lesson. Before we move on to reading practice 4, let's revise our tricky words. He, 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 we, we, have, have, me, me. We also have she, she, my, the. And then the last tricky word here is I. We are going to take reading practice 4 from 1 to 5. Number 1. I have a big pig. I have a big pig. Number 2. The pig can dig. The pig can dig. Number 3. She can sit. She can sit. Number 4. He can win. He can win. Number 5. The pen is in the bin. The pen is in the bin. Number 6. He can sit on the big bin. He can sit on the big bin. Number 7. The tin is in the bin. The tin is in the bin. Number 8. She can win the big hat. She can win the big hat. Number 9. She has a big wig. She has a big wig. Number 10. I have a big pen. I have a big pen. Great job. You can go through these sentences again before moving on to the next sentence. Number 11. Let him have the pen. Let him have the pen. Number 12. My lip is wet. My lip is wet. Number 13. His tin has a lid. His tin has a lid. Number 14. The fin is big. The fin is big. Number 15. I have his pen. I have his pen. Great job today. Keep practicing your sounds one step at a time. See you in the next lesson.